I'm going to talk a little bit about cap planting now. Have you heard the saying, it doesn't matter where you start, it's where you finish? Well, it's super important when it comes to your capping stones. If you lay your cappers out and you find that you need a cut at one end, well, I believe anything less than a half should be eliminated altogether. And what I would do is actually bring in another full one and I'd take a margin off it. And then I'd repeat that and take a margin off 3 or 4 and blend that little cut over a few caps, and you won't even notice that they've been shortened. If it's larger than a half, you're pretty lucky and you can put it in. It's your choice whether you want to put it on the end. As a tradesman, I like to have a big solid capping stone on the end and I move it one in from the end. Remember, anything smaller, try and eliminate it by taking a little bit off 4 or 5 and adding one more large one. Anything larger than a half, I reckon you bring it in one from the end. The other choice is, where do you put it? This end of the wall or that end of the wall? Well, it really matters about which one you see more. If the front door's here or everyone's always standing here, I'd put the cut down the other end. It might be hidden by a garden bed or a plant and it mightn't draw your eye. Doesn't really matter. When it's large, it's not offensive. When it's a tiny little slither, it stands out.